Hey, come on, Robin now. Boom! Come, Chief, know that I'm the first person to go there. So I'm thinking I'll collect money from them. I'll go and spend my shop. You keep your eye, I'll take it to the eye.
Come with shop. Come with shop.
Our shop now.
Which kind of shop? Will you give them a shop, huh?
If you say market, we'll give them money.
If you say which market? Na heke invitation, be I'm gonna shop. On my go shop, huh?
They like for her.
But oh my God.
They like
mind yourself.
They like for her.
I cannot see those students for my shop. I cannot see them for my shop.
Come on, Sue.
Yeah, shop.
See what? If you don't reach my name, I'm gonna focus on sushi.
This my money too small. Please, don't come back.
Yeah, man. Wow. Only for 1,500 naira a day, yeah. Huh? You want?
I want just 46,500.
I'm special.
Yeah,
welcome.
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 Why for sale this money when I count?
Which kind of question be that one? Should we be there where you on Oga titles they come up for more? I do not know serious. Now right there now.
Rag day. Rag day give you money.
Rag day.
See, we don't even make money self. You know Onye make up to 2,000 naira.
62,000 naira.
Yeah,
For rag day? For one single day?
You say how much you make?
My own is just 46,510 naira.
And see me now, only 41,000. Let me carry rest. Only 41,000 naira.
62,000, you Melody.
Close to more.
Oh, wait, you mean say na people they give una money?
Nah.
Una gather this money from people one after the other so they reach like this.
I get one some student wey carry almost 110,000 sef. Na just we decide to come back on time.
Rag day.
Yeah. You know do rag day for university?
Matter for our school, no be one day matter. When I see you, I go tell you what happen for us.
My guy, today too bad though. Today.
Patience. So this is what you tell me not true. I'm still doubting you because you can't tell me those boys are making such huge amount of money for ordinary rag day.
Hey! Oh wow. This thing see they do me like film. Even see as you just they talk like say I don't know what's in they talk. I they tell you say I see these people with my eyes. I see them, they count the money. If I no be say this person can't tell, I hear say I see Chibunna waiting be this girl name Melody. They count their own. Now when you can join, confirm your own figure. What did they tell me?
Yeah. So money way big like this, makburu na rag day. Plenty money like this, makburu na ordinary rag day where come get kwa njikendara. Aho jege yogo. At the end of the day, get no bank of money. I gonna want one shop no.
Life without struggle, I say na so gain, na food that right there. So gain. What it make me stay like this now? Because say I dey regret those days. Those days, why I for venture into this thing? I for just venture. I for know where I dey now.
Chai. Adventurer minister. Adventurer ministress. I be mistress. If I venture into inside the long, I venture inside rag day. You will no smell uni. Man for the diversity. You go venture into rag day. Wara na baga.
Carry microphone go outside. Carry microphone, come out outside. Call compound people, tell them say your wife no go school. If now you do something, I go cover it. Once you say na me do something, you go one open me up.
I know go come tell anybody say you no go school. Your character go don't show them say you illiterate. You illimbo. There's no two words about it. But you see what? Wait. You know what I think? That venture where you talk about. You see that venture? It's like we're going to venture into rag day.
Venture into it.
Rag day now.
Yeah, venture.
Yeah.
Venture. Now waiting school authority tell the students make they do, now they do. This one no be said a business because I know your brain now. Uburu okay. You don't dey calculate. Money will go come out because your own na profit. You no dey even think about loss for business. One way traffic, that's why they think.
Don't worry, just be patient. We'll get to the bridge. Cross out.
Money oh, everybody like money oh. Money work the work, money good oh, money oh.
It's from my blood.
Madam, good morning. Welcome, ma. Well done. You know, since you came, we've been trying to make ourselves available to come and greet you. But they can't fire away there here, no grill. See how bad
You refuse anybody entering. You refuse us seeing you. Thank you for coming. At least you visit him. Take care of him, because sometimes he can't even take his bed properly. But like taking him inside bedroom is another offense. Huh? Before the outside here, buffer. From the look of things, what he she rapo, what he she couple. Give with you could be born inside that place where bedroom, there nobody will hear on a voice. For just the outside here, buffer. Don't be small picking your picking. Oh guy, you're stop now. I joke, I joke. You're welcome, man. You're welcome.
See, make I tell you. You see this guy here, my bobo, my heart, my sweetheart. Honey, he not do proper introduction. I made it for know me well.
Baby, no mind now. No mind now. Leave him. No.
Hey! Everybody on the moon shift from where I stood. How are you? Hey! My eyes have seen my nose. Wait, oh. Your mate na nata chineke ihe hanga haha. Kika kabulu oshi ga akomugun. Ayo? Ahonu go ogologo. Ihe ni na go na ogologo. Na note. Kika ga maburu ihe ukwu yote. Hasi come say elu dey marry heke. Mama bedroom. Mama always come, no even come out to me. Mama walk back there, one na agba mama. Mama come inside, I put a popo. I thought, no wonder. Last night I come to hear my Sam make na go to ma mo ba ko bia ko wo ma mo dede. Sayo. Hey! Asa popo nwere size, nwere kwa size. Lekwa nge me, lekwa bi shi gekwa. Na kiti obi ara. Wote nkumi ike na akụpụ da akụgbo ogige kọlọ onwe gị gịnị. Ogbu isi, ogbu anụ, ogbu ntị, ogbu imo. Hey! Nwa na anyị ukwu na-ayọ. Ịyọrọla ịgba. Yọrọ ibu. Ọbịa. Gbagawale ahụ.
Talk now. Let me see you start.
Mama alawa nne.
I got titles.
Talk. Why they start machine they do like this? Oh, talk, open my talk now.
I got titles. How many times? What I call you? When they put eye for my matter for this house. When they put eye for my matter. When they put eye for my body. For this house. When they put eye for my matter. When they put eye for my body for this house.
See, baby, Ivan.
I know what I go do you. But time never reach.
Okay.
When time reach, you go hear from me.
Ivan, see, he might tell you. See, this man small for me. I don't come with that. See, you go see what I go do. No, we go inside. No, we go honey. Ivan. Ivan, no. If I go start making again, Ivan, no, we go. Open door, now we go.
Hey! Some women no get shame for eye. You go ha ka go noji. Ki bia na enu won tem kwori gro. Hey! You know what you go do? What you go do me? What you go do me? No put ana ka you no remember. Under the breast. O nwere to that brush the lose o ara adagbu ogu ikon kwa ya ho bi ni shi gba mgi lo to go more. Stupid man. Yeah. No wonder. Say no dey marry he kan gbo nwa ya abara be gina agba mute. Ki gba pogi so chingop, ki gba pute. Ki gba pogi so crazy, ki gba pute. One day ga azoro onwu gba pute e dagbu ogu. Make sure on the line of action, don't try to yari grow because all the grow le pe ya da kwa la bu wempe. All of us go so money cloth. In the school, ha bia gba mpeg. La stupid man. Akpoga na yo. Ibe go na your height. You fat. Come out eye for your matter. Matter go buriba have seen her. Your matter have occupied your space. Nonsense. You find house where you go live. You know, see, I'm not going to have no compound. Titus, who is your neighbor?
Everybody jare! Everybody jare! Everybody
Hey. We just they come out.
No worry. Auntie Meshe. Hey. Meshe jare.
Madam don't do from the Igbo pocket. Now general pocket goes to work to take her. So you manage them, eh? We go keep for her. Alright. Don't be able to shop and I will collect money. You must take care. And I get you some.
Everybody
Come, you shut up your mouth. If you talk now, come that go fire that stupid man. What you stop? What did you just do?
What did I do?
You don't know what thing you do. The money where you carry give them now, where did you get it from? Eh? Money where we never sell for this shop, you carry money, cham, a physic, people put the laugh, master what they put. Ishalam, brother, thank God. Ishalam, Sam, Raya, Rego, Nime come. Who asked you to do?
See as I just look you. Who start them? Not be you cause them.
Me cause waiting.
These students come here, come they dance. They say everybody gyrate. As you say the female on, your body do it like this to change the music. Everybody jahe. If he says she go jahe finish here, not gonna give her money. In jahe for you, jahe in come. I give her money now.
In jahe come. Good and work get jahe record book. CEO, get jahe kwena. You open your own record book. Where they go, money just little money where we say under how many weeks now? We never say back come here. Small money where they here now. Get how take and do saraka. Eh? Which letter Jerry me? We make jahe.
I jahe. We jahe together. And what is that?
Everybody jahe. Get out jahe.
What is that?
Students where we say their parents they send them money every day. Give them come now. Who they jahe? Me iko. Now they go master rag day. Do we look like rag people? Now I'm not happy that the same compound. Does it mean that anytime when they come here, I go they give them money?
See, something they enter my brain as they stand.
What's in they enter your brain?
You see the money where they make. Only God know how much they go don't make today.
Amaka, slow now. See what you're packing. If you talk now, you must speak fully. Just try me now. Don't do now, barrister lawyer. You know I'm a lawyer. So true. I'm reading law.
Enjoyment. I'm even some boy.
Oh.
Like say this on a rag day they pay well.
Oga Titus, we thank God.
Chai.
See, this year rag day, it better pass last year own. I swear.
For real?
Now wow, I don't know say the thing they pay money like this, but you I dey feel say na some collect money pass.
Yes.
Me?
Now.
I no collect anything, no. Wetin I make na ordinary 34,600.
Oh
You dey shout. Amaka wey dey here, 61,000 naira. You see the gap now? Now so rich people dey dash am money. She na fine girl.
Wait, 60-something thousand.
61.
Only you.
Yeah.
For today. Yeah, you may have 2 days. You have 100 and something thousand.
Oh, he don't calculate himself.
Give me like 4 days. Yeah, will be 240 something.
You be business buy and buy.
The man dey there.
Now wow, school good though. School good.
Not be me, cause not be me.
As
I dey read law, you know, I'm a barrister. I
lawyer.
coordinate myself. I get the money.
We thank God.
The 61,000 good. I mean, the food we own at the chop. You fine, no? You fine.
Come join us. No, na dey try.
One at the try here.
Oga Titus, Auntie Peshe. Don't mention.
And there's a size patient.
Sorry.
You the chop like me.
You don't
like me.
yourself. Barrister, you don't know sabi eat.
So, my brother, you're welcome. You've been promising me you will come. After all said and done, my wife will prepare food. We will not see you. Welcome. Another one, they say, the woman you promised to introduce to us as your wife, up till now, I have not seen anybody. Or is it audio marriage you want to do? You are laughing.
It's not audio marriage. But you know, if not be say you give your wife belle come out. By now you go don't get to. And you know as it be for your side now. So I want to do the same thing so the bride price go reduce. You understand?
So you want to do your own marriage in Nkunkum?
Yes, so...
See, let me tell you. Marriage is for the matured minds. Marriage is not for children. Anything that concerns marriage is meant for matured people. So marriage is for people who can take a lot of... Stanley.
Our mother is fine.
Your mother there for that lapse. Your mother is fine, no uroko. Stanley, I am talking to you about marriage and you are looking under the marriage. See, all these things where you see here, Abi, they see those laughs. My sickness full of as they open legs, so now so they open them for anybody way horn, any horn way do pim, come for their door. Now so they go open for them. So it's better you remove your eyes from that place. If you want to get married, or if you like woman, maybe whenever you see woman, but you
like woman.
Marry, keep for house. All these things where you see where they for town. Now, I am talking to you and you are still shaking your head. Now what you gonna know? Do you kagama lizard?
Calm down now, eh? Calm down.
Thunder! We go fire you. They thunder fire your mama. Exactly. Fire your papa. Even fire that your useless wife where you keep for house. You the grace. You no get sense. Hey, imagine this useless man.
I beg you don't do. I beg.
You see,
now my brother.
Wait. Thank God you call her my wife. She's somebody's wife. Who can keep somebody like you at home? Why Agaracha? Agaracha Bali.
Ah, see back here.
Every motor way stop. When you talk,
it's okay.
Breastfeeding, madam.
You want this one? At least my Alhaji better pass.
Alhaji, okay. Alhaji, they go very serious. Alhaji,
that one way you do now. I know like him. I know like.
My brother, if you like him, come make I give you na business center MTN. I go give you.
It's that one way you do like.
I know like him.
Anya talk one again. You know like him, you carry eye.
I beg you to do that one. Ah.
Which one way you want?
I am so happy. Anything we go make us go back to that nonsense, useless, stupid, stinky, dirty provision business. Holy Ghost fire. Baby, heavenly angels were able to as is illegal. Zap and dry.
Yes, now wow.
You see,
they waste our time.
You don't know what I tell you. Even the way they see them now. If we don't they do rag, the thing can't grow. We go employ people.
They go work for us.
They go work for us. We go just find one name, register them for company. I go the answer. We go the answer CEO. People go they go rag for us. They bring money, concept.
Name no enter my head now. B&T Company Limited.
P stands for
patient now. Me.
And you again.
Titles.
Cha. What a name. How the P on the front and the T on the back.
As I call this thing no sweet for your ear.
How is sweet? Why P go the front?
P and T.
Keleka P geshe butuzo. T and P. Titles and the patient. You won't say the patient is not go call her rich end because you be woman. Titles and patient rag day investment. Smile, forget say the pray make the thing grow.
No, if you start with T, you gonna sound like medicine then. Like headache medicine name. Na P and T.
When you don't go back to your parents' house, you will answer that. But that's why I was just still in my house. T and P. Full stop.
Maggi, what's with that nonsense? What are you trying to do?
I want wear pants.
Come on, come out your leg from there, sister.
What do you sense? Eh? Are you alright at all? So if I allow you, go carry your panty, come wear and come out, go outside. You want go do panty day or you want go do rag day?
What didn't do am?
What did not do am? What did not do am? Panty wey be saying only me supposed to see your secret, your secret side. Give the panty, but we are now. What do you mean that on the does near Benari? Ya would the main place. You need an arm. You will look at Tuparia. Give you a pony maha. Are you going to advertise pants or you are going to beg for money?
So now because of pants, you just the open mouth like this. All these people when they do WrestleMania, all of them they know they wear pants. They know they wear them.
Hey, Snake and God have mercy on me. You know sometimes you go be like say money why I take marry you. So I take and go buy fowl keep for house. Make that fowl day my house they do okay. I go like them. All those people where they do seminary and kiss, all those people where they do
WrestleMania.
Oh, we have
wrestling.
Now you have turned to the WrestleMania race. Up here, Nima here. The way why the way why they look you. This rag they don't they turn to something else. What in me get for mind? They do this rag day. Maybe the same thing you get for mind.
Are you sabi?
Which one be na you sabi?
You know happy same. I expose the pants where you buy for me. The pants where you buy for me. Only me supposed see. Only me supposed see. Who never see am? Generation from generation to generation, they does it. No be okra pants you buy for me. The time when you give me this pants, I open them from packet. No be like this, you bring them out. Then therefore, now that same for now it remain rich today. So if I show them to anybody or the whole world, I not sure I'm late.
God, this kind of punishment where you give me, what did I do to this? Do I really deserve this punishment?
You disgrace it. You married patient, so you have to exercise patience for me. Oh, they go.
Go away.
Right there.
Monagi, like this, you are sick in the head.
How could they go now?
I don't understand you. Seriously, I don't understand you.
You still understand.
That thing where you carry for house, you don't carry and they come out for public. I don't understand you. I watch you I don't look you. I don't look you with one eyes.
I don't get your.
But remember, kwa woko na aga wangwa. Anya na aga zanza this year.
I have your money account now. Why would the past go like this? I've been like this.
Would they follow under your leg? I get she stupid woman. She panty gafrem. Go and dispose yourself. Shameless thing. Go, Joe. Go to the panty, Eliza. Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!